4 fucking years ago, I was about to get fired from my job selling cars because I wasn't performing. I went from delivering Chinese food to selling cars to working for Andy Elliott, helping build this thing, to changing thousands of lives, obviously making a lot of money on the journey, on the impact. This is what it is, man. I have no limit! All right, what's up, family? We're out here at Fit Lab, Arizona. It's cloudy as shit. It looks like it's about to rain, but we're out here, we're getting it. It's a Saturday. So I'm gonna show you guys a little day in the life of just what we do. We're getting in little workouts. See, a lot of you guys not eating right, not getting your mind right, not getting in shape, not drawing the line in the sand. See, a lot of people gotta wait till they fuck some shit up to where they get fat, till they get sloppy, until they decide to go get a six pack, or they decide that they want the life, they want the whip, they want the cars, they want all these things out of life. Most people have to self-sabotage their life before they decide that they're gonna go for more. And I'm gonna show you guys today why you go for more every single day, why you keep a good routine every single day, why you keep good people around you, and just day in life. This is what we do, baby. Let's get into it. One last special thing I forgot to mention. We just locked in on a new crib 5 minutes down the street from my boy Andy Elliott. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of the whole crib before we do the renovations, the floors, the outside, the paint, the kitchen, the whole deal. It's gonna take about 1 to 2 months, but I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek of the new crib. Dude, if you put a negative frequency, like have you ever seen the studies they do with plants? If you go to a plant, fuck you, I hate you, you suck, and then you give another one, I love you, you're amazing.
Roast 2 times.
Bro, your words have fucking energy and they literally die. Same thing with rice. You can put rice in a fucking container, fuck you, hate you, you screw it in a cup, it molds like 4 times faster. Bro, I don't know if it's exactly 4 times, but it molds faster.
You wanna be the hottest, but that shit get complicated. I pull your card, I know your pussy by your conversation. Show you the safe, you had to kill me for that combination. Made another 2 million just off the...
Just finished up a little workout, a little bit of shoulders, a little bit of arms, a little bit of back, smashing it out. Got the kava for you guys that don't know. It's that fire ass Mediterranean Chipotle. And dude, listen, this ain't a perfect meal, but I can guarantee this is gonna be 10 times better for you than going just smashing some chicken sandwiches, getting your protein in and your bullshit. With your fitness comes your mental health, comes your mental strength. And dude, listen, I don't know if you've gone through enough phases to be aware of what the fuck you're putting in your body, but in America, the shit that they're feeding us, fuck cancer, bro. It's killing people. So we got some good kava, got some good food. We're gonna smash this down and chop it up, go back to the spot. Got a few more movies for the rest of the day, but right now it's 11 o'clock, so just smashing out and getting some good lunch in. We just tapped back into the apartment, finished up workout, finished up some grub. As you can tell, we are running out of space in the apartment. I got like kitchen shit everywhere. I got clothes everywhere. It's just time to elevate. It's time to open it up. I got the connections out here in Scottsdale. Got a dope experience. Got to get out of the system, but now it's time to, just bust this bitch wide open, get a cool ass crib, deck it out, make it sick. And actually, I'll show you guys over here. So we're gonna redo the entire master bathroom. So we're trying to just figure out what type of color. We're going for I'm pretty decisive with shit, but this has been difficult. I feel like a dad that walks out to his lawn and is just looking at his fucking lawn all day long, just trying to figure out what makes sense. So we're gonna bring the material over to the crib, check it out, see what's good, because we gotta order this shit, get it on the way. Sometimes it takes a week or two, sometimes a little bit longer, and then we gotta get this bitch installed ASAP so that way we can move in early in August. We'll be out of here in this apartment in the next month and a half. We got about 4 to 6 weeks for this all to finish, and then we're gonna move all the stuff to the new spot, and this place will be done and we'll be in the new crib. All right, guys, so quick life updates. Shit's been crazy as usual. Had a speaking event a couple weeks back, absolutely killed it. Ton of business, ton of clients, ton of just new partnerships that are on the way with people that are in wholesale real estate. We got guys in marketing, just tons of good business, tons of good connections coming from that. You guys know we always say proximity is power. Relationships are the new currency for 2024. So we're making massive moves, massive connections. And I think one of the biggest things for me the last 2 or 3 months, I just finished 75 hard. And I was always in the gym, eating pretty good, but I wasn't straight arrow, no fucking gray area, nothing at all. And I went down this path, and I was on the road every other week, the food, the time management, and I cleared 75 hard. I went from 172 pounds down to 160, back up to 170 after I shredded everything down, started eating a little bit more, started eating really, really clean, packing on some more protein, and was smashing the gym hard as a bitch, and started putting on more muscle. So it feels good to just to be where I'm at. The physical fitness does breed that mental toughness, and having no gray area, having no option to go eat out, to go have a drink, to go and kick it, it changes your entire mental framework on how you operate, because you got to learn to operate within your state. You got to learn to operate and have fun without fucking drinking. You got to learn to fit everything in your schedule. 2 45-minute workouts equates to a little over 2 hours for preparation, time travel, finishing up, showering after the workout. So you got 2.5 hours of working out every fucking day, and then prepping your food takes another hour if you don't have somebody to help you with it, or buying it's more expensive. So it was a journey, man. I'll drop some like before and after pictures so you guys can see just the transformation. But 75 hard, Andy Priscilla, fucking love you. That shit changed my whole game. Book of Mental Toughness is really what catapulted the entire transformation for me, because I'm reading the book. He's talking about 75 hard. He's talking about mental toughness. I figured, what a better time to start than now. So really cool stuff going on. We have the Patrick Bet-David event coming up. If you guys do want to come out to that, it's going to be fucking badass. I might have a couple of VIP tickets left if you hit me up. Patrick Bet-David event. Our next couple events are booked out, but I did just launch the Undeniable Mastermind. Me, Andy Elliott, and my brother Brendan Whiting are launching the mastermind. It's going to be on the boat, Lake Day, and training at the Lions Den. This is a small group setting. I'm only taking 15 people. This isn't like a little, I'm going to close you seminar type of training event. This is high-level relationships, high-level social media connections at the highest level, and really an intimate style of training to get in with our team, with me specifically. This is my mastermind. I'm bringing in Andy Elliott to teach for a few hours. But man, this is going to be something fucking special. So if you guys want to come to the Undeniable Mastermind, you can shoot me a text. Just say Undeniable Mastermind to 540-840-3241. I'll shoot you some info. If you're serious, I'll hop on the phone with you. We'll make some badass shit happen. And that's where we're at, baby. Just making moves. All right, we're out here in Fountain Hills, Arizona, baby. Trying to be Andy Elliott's neighbor. Just locked in the crib. Just dropped a little bag on it. Not $1 million house just yet, but as soon as I finish some of the renovations, some of the cool shit, it's gonna be pretty damn close. But no, first time house, bought it for $765. Got my first time buyer loan, 3% down, just a little nothing. I didn't have to put down the 20%, put down the 3%. Go and put the rest of the money into doing the floors, doing the kitchen, doing the master bath, painting the whole house white. It's the newest house on the entire block. So if you notice Fountain Hills, I'll have Steve pan through. All of these houses are all different like colors. You got houses that are brown, houses that are red, houses that are freaking off-white, all these different colors. And this house was built in 2017. It was a custom build, big vaulted ceilings, the whole deal. It's the newest one on the block, so we scored a bag on this one. So let's go check it out. So first thing you're gonna notice is this fucking badass driveway. You can fit 5 or 6 whips right here in the driveway. You got a 2-car garage, and I got another 1-car garage over here. We're gonna use this one for me and my lady. Boom, 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 put the Tesla, put the Beamer right in there. And then I'm gonna convert this one, the 2nd car garage, you know, because we got 3-car garage, one over here. We're gonna make that a whole indoor gym, but you got tons of space, tons of storage. The one thing about this is single story, single level. One thing you notice is as soon as you come in, you got this whole open little, you know, cabana type of vibe. Probably put a little fire pit, a whole little setting, because you got the view right over here of the mountains. So the house isn't elevated way up in the mountains, but if you come up to the front, you'll be able to see all of the mountains, all the palm trees, everything from top to bottom. You come through right here, this nice little walkway. We'll probably blast out these cactuses, put some nice lighting up and some nice little thin trees, redo some of the lighting and some of the nice stuff and just get it kind of up to date. Boom, baby. 4 fucking years ago, I was about to get fired from my job selling cars, so I wasn't performing. I went from delivering Chinese food to selling cars to working for Andy Elliott, helping build this thing, to changing thousands of lives. Obviously making a lot of money on the journey, on the impact. This is what it is, man. Crazy, $765,000. About to dump another 6 figures into it to redo all the floors, redo the kitchen, redo everything. Man, I'm pumped. For everybody out there that's trying to figure out, hey, how do I get this life? Is this possible for me? All it takes is a decision. A lot of people will slow play all the things that they do in life, how they're gonna get there, what's gonna happen. Find somebody that, you know, you can get mentoring from. Find somebody who's been where you wanna go, and then go and follow that person. Go and get all the right information. Everyone that's still going to college, getting a job, trying to figure out how you get successful, it's not from getting into the system and walking that path. It goes from learning how to run a business, learning how to learn sales, learning marketing, learning a high income skill set in 2024 is going to be the only way out. Learning how to monetize the community, learning how to be a coach, share what you know and teach that to others. It's possible for anybody. If it's possible for me, damn sure possible for you. Appreciate you guys supporting the content. We'll do another update video in about a month or 2 from today. As soon as we finish the renovation, all the furniture, the entire house tour, we'll give you guys the full walk through the MTV Cribs vibe. But if you guys like this content, supporting the journey, Make sure you like, comment, share the video with a homie, and let's keep cranking it up. Appreciate you guys.